Track lighting circuit tripping when the contactor energizes the panel can stem from several potential causes. Firstly, consider an overload on the track lighting circuit. Ensure that the total load on the track lighting circuit does not exceed the breaker rating, typically 15 amps for a standard lighting circuit. Check for any additional loads connected to the same circuit, such as appliances or other lighting fixtures that may be contributing to the overload. Secondly, loose or damaged connections can cause intermittent tripping. Inspect all electrical connections including the switch, contactor, breaker, and track lighting fixtures. Tighten any loose screws or terminals and check for any damaged wires or insulation that could be causing a short or ground fault. Thirdly, a faulty contactor itself may be the culprit. A faulty contactor may not be energizing the panel properly, which may result in voltage fluctuations or surges that can cause the track lighting breaker to trip. Consider replacing the contactor with a new one to rule this out as a cause. Fourthly, a short circuit within the track lighting circuit is a common cause of breaker trips. A short circuit can cause the breaker to trip immediately due to the sudden surge of current. Inspect the track lighting fixtures and wiring for any exposed wires or damage that could be creating a short circuit path. Use a multimeter to check for continuity between the hot and neutral wires on the track lighting circuit, which would indicate a short. Fifthly, a defective track lighting transformer, if your track lighting system uses one, can cause the track lighting to draw excessive current, leading to breaker trips. A defective transformer can overheat or develop internal shorts. Replace the transformer with a new one to see if it resolves the issue. Sixthly, interference from other circuits could potentially cause the breaker to trip. If the track lighting circuit is wired near other circuits, there may be electrical interference or inductive coupling causing the breaker to trip. Try isolating the track lighting circuit from other circuits by moving wiring or installing a separate breaker panel for the track lighting. In addition to these possible causes, consider these additional troubleshooting steps. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the track lighting fixtures to ensure it is within the specified range, typically 120 volts. Under voltage or over voltage conditions can cause the track lighting to malfunction and potentially trip the breaker. Check the breaker trip curve. Some breakers have a higher trip curve for short circuits and a lower trip curve for overloads. Make sure the breaker trip curve is appropriate for the circuit load. A breaker with an inappropriate trip curve may trip prematurely or fail to trip when it should. If you have exhausted these troubleshooting steps and cannot resolve the issue, it is recommended to consult with a licensed electrician for further diagnosis and repairs. An electrician has the expertise and tools to safely and effectively troubleshoot electrical problems.